Hi people, this is Dave Stahl, Vintage Apple Tech, and it's been a while since I've been back on YouTube. You can go to my channel. I have different videos on there, but the last thing I did on a computer was a Imac G3 that I had a long time ago, and I kind of modded it with existing Apple computer parts from other machines. But I missed my iMac G3, so I have a couple of them. And we're going to be modifying this motherboard. We're actually going to get a G4 processor on it, courtesy of DOS Dude. I'll put a link on his channel. He does amazing work. And the board is untested, so when I get the board, I haven't gotten it back yet, but when I get it, I'm going to put it in a machine. And so right now you can see the current specs on this machine. It's a PowerPC, and it's the G3. And let me go back here again. It just went to sleep here. And anyway, this is a 2000 model, and they made it in different colors. And in the ruby, this happens to be the ruby one, but this is partially disassembled because I'm waiting for the board, so that's why the front bezel wasn't on it, and of course the bottom grill for the speakers. So anyway, when we get this machine put all back together, we'll see how it works. Right now I'm running Tiger on it, but my goal is to have Leopard on it, and it will run Leopard. I want to get a little bit more modern operating system on it. Sorry for the screen flicker. Screen's running at 75 megahertz, but as you can see, you still get a little flicker. But anyway, these are the specs on it there. And so next time you see this video, we're going to have the G4 upgraded motherboard. I happen to have another motherboard, and it happened to have the right type of processor. I'll go more in detail on it, where he was able to do the upgrade on it. So we will be back in a week or two with the updated video. Thanks, bye.